Hello, trading is closed on August the 7th, 2018. We had an optional MEJT target of 28.53.05. I said because of that target, it was likely we would promptly trade over yesterday's high, ideally by gapping over it, and that would eliminate the negative connotations of this move. Today's pattern gapped up, hit a new high, couldn't hold on to any of these highs, couldn't hold on to even this low. It's a negative pattern, and unless we invalidate it by gapping and promptly taking out today's high, lower prices should print. Now tomorrow's pattern has an early low and a late high, and typically leads to higher prices unless we drop early, say the first hour or two. For a number of reasons, I think that'll happen. We got an ultimate sell signal here. We got the minimum, we got more, but usually we get more than this. Same thing goes for that sell. Ultimate doesn't have to deliver more, but almost always it will. Doesn't mean it happens tomorrow, but we're now a whole bar over this TDST line. If I'm right about us topping out here, one bar over the line typically is all you get. We've also traded over the upper Bollinger Band. Here are the DeMark counts. Remember, this could be bar 13, so it could be on a sell. And if we do get to bar 13 on the sequential, it doesn't have to be higher than bar 10. So could this be the end of the move? Well, I think we have a little ways to go, but not a lot. We want to see us travel 317 points over this line. Now, it doesn't have to be exact, but I think sometime next week we'll hit that price, maybe with the index almost, but not quite surpassing the all-time high. Here's a guess, 28.68.69, but it's still written in pencil, not ink, because I can change my mind till we get the signal. So for tomorrow, we're looking for lower prices. It's invalidated if we gap up and promptly take out this high. Otherwise, I expect to see lower prices with a drop early. The pattern tends to rally into the close, but we're getting awfully close to seeing if my prediction of the old high holding works or bites the dust. That's today's call.